We at Samsung Mobile have just introduced the Galaxy S5, and we would like to take you through an in-depth look at some of the key features. The Galaxy S5 features a new sleek, contoured design with a perforated pattern on the back cover for a more comfortable grip and a modern glam look. It also has a new rounded screen bezel that gives the front a slimmer look. The Galaxy S5 will be available in a variety of color options, including electric blue, charcoal black, shimmery white, and copper gold. The new modern look of the Galaxy S5 is also designed to be durable, as it's IP67 dust and water resistant, so you don't need to worry if it gets roughed up a little. Pair that with a 2800 mAh battery, and you have a device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle. The Galaxy S5 provides a stunning and superior viewing experience thanks to the 5.1-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display and an enhanced adaptive display. Let's check out a video to see the viewing experience of the Galaxy S5. Additionally, it's powered by a 2.5 GHz quad-core processor and is running Android 4.4 KitKat. Galaxy S5 offers a 16-megapixel camera with revolutionary face sensor technology and an easier and simplified user interface. Now, here we've got the camera on the lock screen, so when you need to take a quick photo, you can open up your camera right away without having to unlock your device. You'll be able to capture the moment up to 3 times faster than other smartphones, as the Galaxy S5 is the first smartphone to use a combination of contrast autofocus and phase detection autofocus, a feature found in many digital SLRs. Let me show you the Galaxy S5's advanced high dynamic range rich tone feature. By simply tapping on the HDR icon here, it instantly controls the light exposure so you can preview before shooting in real time. It works for videos as well as for photos. Here, I'm recording a video using the high dynamic range rich tone. Let's see how my video looks from the gallery. As you can see, I've just taken this amazing video easily without a separate camera kit. Another new smart camera feature here is selective focus, which lets you apply an out-of-focus effect. Now, let's take a picture using selective focus. With this new feature, you can add a little more edge to your photos. With this edit icon, you can easily readjust the focus. You can change the focus to far, or near, or choose to save a version with pan focus. With the Galaxy S5, you get the fastest Wi-Fi performance, as it is the world's first smartphone that supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi MIMO. Another new feature is Download Booster, which bonds your LTE and Wi-Fi connections for faster and more stable downloads. So, my colleague is asking me to download and check this large video file immediately. With the Download Booster, I can check the status of my download here, and again here on the Quick panel. Thanks to this new feature, I can download this huge file in an instant and get back to my colleague right away. The Galaxy S5 provides new resources and a more personalized experience to help you stay more fit and active. Let's go into S Health. The new S Health provides a unified dashboard that can help you better track and manage your fitness and wellness. It can also track and help your fitness activities. With exercise here, I'm going to select hiking, set my workout goal to distance, say 5 kilometers. Turn on some workout music. And I'm all set to go. Once I'm done, I can check detailed statistics around my time, distance, and calories burned. By pairing your wearable devices such as the Gear Fit, you can sync and keep track of your workout and day-to-day activity from your Galaxy S5. The Galaxy S5 is also equipped with a built-in heart rate sensor, which is the first of its kind. Just by placing your finger on the heart rate sensor here on the back of the device, it will measure and record your heart rate. We all experience now and then times when saving battery life is at the top of the list. Here I have 27% of my battery left, but I can use my phone for over 13 hours with Ultra Power Saving mode. The display saves power by turning black and white and shutting down all unnecessary features. With this mode turned on, I can add more apps that I need, make phone calls, send texts, and browse the web. Another useful and convenient feature of the Galaxy S5 is the finger scanner. You can keep everything stored in your device safe by unlocking your device using your fingerprint. You can register your fingerprint by swiping your finger across the home button, like this. After registration, all it takes is a simple swipe of your finger to unlock your device. You can also use the finger scanner to verify your Samsung account and make secure payments with PayPal. Thank you for watching. This has been the official hands-on video for the new Galaxy S5. Please stay tuned for more information at the Samsung Mobile YouTube channel.